Hello students, as we have already begun the chapter, here the song from heaven, where we have discussed about Austria, a village in Austria where the story took place. And here the celebration of Christmas, that how the people celebrate Christmas, they decorate Christmas tree and waiting for Santa to come and even exchange gifts. Okay, and then carol, we talk about carol is a song, a folk song that sung in a particular region. Okay, so now the chapter name is the song from heaven. We have started earlier of a father Joseph Moher, who was ready for his Christmas services, and the story took place in 1818 in a village in Austria, where he was just preparing for his summon. When he has prepared for his summon, then he heard some knock at door, and he when he checked, then it was a peasant lady who was waiting for him to take along him with her as a newly to bless a newly born child. When he reached there, he saw it was just atmosphere of Jesus Christ, similar to Jesus Christ birth. And he noticed that it was a celebration as it was earlier. After returning back to home, he wrote some lines, and at last he noticed that he composed a poem. One of his friend, who was a music teacher, has given the music to it according to the words. He played guitar. He gave sound with guitar as church organ was not in order, or we can say was out of order, was not working properly. And when a mechanic or a person came there to repair the church organ, and when he heard the same song, he was enchanting towards it, he was attracted towards it as he listened it carefully and wanted to learn it, because he wanted to make it learn to his villagers. So like this the journey of song has started. Okay, and here we were on this paragraph. This page, second page, we have completed. We were at the last. Here, I have never heard this song before. Can I learn it? Asked the organ builder. My friends and neighbors would love to hear it. Franz Gruber agreed, and that's how the song took its first step outside the tiny village where it was born. Means it was the first time when the song has been out from that tiny village. The organ builder, now here on the next page, the organ builder gathered the children of his village and taught them the song. They called it Song from Heaven, and soon it became popular in several neighboring villages as well. Obviously, when he learned, he make it learn to others, and children who were really interested to learning that, they learn and they taught some other ones also. And they named it Song from Heaven. And the song became popular in several neighboring villages. In time, the song reached the lips of the most wonderful singers, the Strossers, children of Zillertal Valley. Everyone agreed that children Caroline, Joseph, Andreas, and Amelie sang like angels. They were often called to sing at local events. Though little Amelie was so young that she could barely pronounce the words of the song. Means the famous person of time, they used to sing the song. The children who were very much excited and become expert of that time, they used to sing that song. And the name of the children were Caroline, Joseph, Andreas, and Amelie. And you know that youngest of the singers were Amelie. She was not able to correctly pronounce the word, but still she tried and she used to sing the song. Okay, now next paragraph. Here we are. Their parents were globe makers. Every year in spring, the family traveled northward to Leipzig to sell their wares at the annual trade fair. Leipzig was a large, busy city, and the children often felt lost and uncomfortable in the crowded place. Okay, so the children used to sing the song, and their parents, who were glove makers, glove we used to wear in our hands. Gloves used to keep our hands safe. So, whenever spring came, they used to travel to one place to another to take part in the annual trade fair that used to be hosted at Leipzig. Okay, and Leipzig, what is it? It was a large, big, busy city. Okay, say they who used to live in village, whenever they just go to city, they used to feel uncomfortable due to the crowded place. Okay, that year when they were feeling particularly, next page here. Okay, that year when they were feeling particularly homesick. Homesick means when one's want to go to home, or we can say longing for one's house. Okay, when they were feeling homesick, they were missing their homes. Caroline Strasser suggested, I know what will lift our spirits. Let's sing. Then she's saying, then what can be motivated us? Okay, what's it? Okay, and she suggested, let's sing. Yes, let's, agreed the others. The children stood in a corner of the street and started singing. Of course, they chose their favorite song, Song from Heaven. Soon people stopped and gathered around the children, mesmerized by their melodious voices and the beautiful words. Okay, and the beautiful words, mesmerized, fascinated, attracted, spellbound. Okay, once more they cried each time the Strasser's children finished the song. Okay, so they have decided to sing the song. And which song? Of course, it was Song from Heaven. They started singing. Whomsoever were passing from there, they just stopped to listen the song because they were just attracted, spellbound towards that song. Whenever they finish, people used to say once more, and they every time start and finish the song. One elderly man in particular observed the children keenly. When they had finished, he walked up to them. Means one person was there who was observing them. Okay, and then when they finished the song, he walked to them. What an enchanting performance! He exclaimed. What voices! He said, shaking their hands. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So they were very happy as they were appreciated by someone for their song. Then he told them, I am the Director General of Music. I am the Director General of Music in the Kingdom of Saxony. We have a concert this evening. All of you must attend. All of you must attend. I will talk to your parents, he said. Then he gave his introduction that he is the Director General of Music in the Kingdom of Saxony, and he also asked them to take the permission on their behalf, on the behalf of children, and he also said that you must attend a concert. We had loved to, the children exclaimed, delighted at being given this opportunity. They were so happy on getting this opportunity. That evening, the Strassers walked into a grand auditorium. It was filled with well dressed gentlemen and ladies in fine gowns. They sat in a corner, enjoying the music. Then, as the last notes of the final song rang out, the Director General of Music walked onto stage. It was a grand opportunity for them, so they came there and they were so happy, and they saw the person who were there. They were dressed beautifully. Gentlemen and ladies were there. Ladies were wearing fine gowns, and they, after watching all this thing, they sat in a corner. They were enjoying the music. And when the program was coming to an end, as the final song, he came, the Director General of Music came on the stage, Okay, and what he announced, just we check in our next paragraph. Ladies and gentlemen, he said. Ladies and gentlemen, a short while ago I had the privilege of listening to the finest voices that this land has ever known. I had liked to invite them on stage to sing their beautiful song for our Highness. Highness, the King and the Queen. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, he announced that ladies and gentlemen, I have just got an opportunity to listen the finest voice, the beautiful voice of the land. So now I am going to invite them to sing their beautiful song in for our highness, in regard to our highness. Highness, the king and the queen of the kingdom. Okay, please come up. He said, Our Highness, please come up, the Strossers. The children come crimson. The children turned crimson with embarrassment. The children come. The children turned crimson with embarrassment. The entire auditorium applauded, encouraging them along. Okay, and it become very fantastic moment for them. Okay, and they felt, first of all, they felt very embarrassment, means like anyone at any time is inviting, sudden of invited you on the stage, and it will, how you will feel. And at the announcement, the person who was sitting there, the entire auditorium applauded, encouraging them along. Okay, don't look at those people, or don't look at those people. Little Emily whispered to her siblings, don't look here and there. We should just shut our eyes and imagine that we are at home, singing to our friends. So see, she has given a fantastic idea. The children nodded in agreement. They began singing Song from Heaven. Okay. And when they had finished, you could have heard a pin drop. The stunned audience took a moment to recover from the spell of the song before they burst into a thunderous applause. Okay, when Emily has given this idea, now you are not going to look anything. Just close your eyes and start singing as you are at home and singing your song. And they have started. When they have finished, what was happened? It was a wonderful moment for them. How? It was wonderful as they were awestruck, they were surprised, they were amazed on their wonderful performance. It was pin drop silence, and then they realized that the performance has ended. And at that time, the auditorium was full of applause, full of clappings in their praising. Okay. Everyone got to their feet, giving the astonished children a standing ovation. Standing ovation? Applause given by an audience that stands up as a mark of respect and appreciation. Everyone was there to give them respect. Just then, a uniformed man walked up to the children with a message. The king and the queen of Saxony wished to speak to them. What a moving song, the queen said, after the children had curtsied before her. We have never heard it before. Okay, just after that moment, a uniformed man walked to them with a beautiful message. And the king and the queen also want to also wish to speak to them. What a moving song. Okay, and then the children bowed to her. They just curtsied to the queen. We have never heard it before. We have never heard this song. Joseph cleared his throat and replied that it was a folk song. He cleared like this and he said, it was a folk song. Folk song means? we used to sing this song in our area. Then the king said, "Well, you must sing it for us again. Come to the palace and sing it." He asked, "Come to the palace and sing it." Okay. Then at the special Christmas service, means you are invited to the Christmas special service and you are going to sing this song. This is how in Christmas of 1832 the song traveled to the royal the song traveled to the royal family, royal court of chapel, and endowed to here royal Saxon court chapel and enchanted the entire congregation. It reached to the kingdom's court, and all have entire congregation, all the crowded people, all the crowd has sang that song. From there on, the song traveled around the world, capturing people's hearts wherever it went, even through the pain and despair of World War I. Song from Heaven spread its magic. On 25th December 1914, in the middle of the war, the English and the German troops decided to call a Christmas truce. Okay, truce, a temporary stop to fighting. Means from there the song started. It moves here and there. It even World War One, it was sing. It was just at that time there. Okay. Soldiers of both armies sang the carol simultaneously. It was the one carol that both sides knew, connecting them in the midst of enmity and turmoil. Okay, turmoil, violence, and chaos means they both were knows the same song. They were connecting them despite of being standing in front of being stood in front of each other to fight. The song continues to spread its joy and peace even today. This simple song from a tiny village in Austria now resonates in the hearts of millions of people every Christmas. Okay, most of the people used to sing this song. Okay, when the soldiers of both armies were there, they both were singing the same carol. And the song is just here. Silent night, holy night. Silent night, holy night. All is calm, all is bright. Round yon Virgin Mother and Child. Holy infant, so tender and mild. Sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Yon, an old word for that. So the song is Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. Round yon Virgin Mother and Child, holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. See how beautifully the poem is composed, which become a song after this. Okay, now write down difficult words, find out their meaning with their synonyms. Okay, after writing the synonyms and the meaning, you will find out answer of the questions given in the book. You will mark in the book. We will discuss it later on. Thank you and have a nice day.